Hello everyone, welcome you all again to the channel Techno Tutorial. Today from your syllabus we are going to discuss another topic, that is see here what to discuss, string. So in the last video already we have discussed about looping, the notion of iterative computation and control flow, for, while. So looping already we have done in the last class. So in this video we are going to discuss about this string, okay, string traversal operations, concatenation, repetition. So different functions are there in string. So about the string functions we are going to discuss now. So for that I have prepared some programs for you for your practice. So this directly I'm going to show you the programs, so how to execute this program. So a string means already you know the combination of the multiple number of characters which are there in your program inside single or double quote. Triple quote string is also there already, you know. So now see, directly I'm going to run some of the programs so that you will understand clearly about the string. So now see, I'm going to run this program. Okay, here see these are some of the examples I have done. Print example1. So that means this is a string, you can say inside single quote is there. So it will display in the output, example1 will come. Enter your name. Okay, in example1 what it will come, it will display the output example1. After that it will come one another string, enter your name. Then you are going to input your name. For that case you can write name is equal to input, so directly enter your name there. Print hello. So this is a string that you are writing at the time of print statement, plus that means this is join, this is concatenation, this is join. What it will join, hello plus name. That means the name variable what you have entered here in name, it will come here. If you enter here deep, so that deep will display here, hello deep will come in the first example. Okay, I'm going to run this program, F5. See here example1 is coming, so I am just writing deep. So that deep is the string, so we have to write inside singular double quote, TEEP. Press enter. So now see hello deep is coming, hello deep. Okay, so this is example1. Now go to the example2. This is example2. So example2 is coming in the next line. After that this another line just is there, so that line will come. And a, the value of a is good morning. We are assigning a value word, that is string word, string value, that is good morning. That good morning is a value of a. Print a. So this will come good morning. So the output, just see what will come. I'm going to run this program, F5. This is for example1. Again it is coming. So TEEP, enter. So here example2 what is coming, good morning. Okay, now go to example3. Example3 again I am just drawing one line. This line is coming here. So B value is write article on AI briefly. So see, to bring this double quote here, AI, see one double quote I am giving here, one double quote I am giving here, that is for the entire line. Okay, now suppose AI, in between the line, if any word if you want to write inside double quote, for that case you have to give this slash double quote, again double quote. That means this AI will come inside double quote. Okay, now see the output, what it is coming. This is the output. See, write article on AI. So this AI word is coming inside double quote. Okay, for that case we can write the string like this. This slash we have to give here. Okay, so this B if you will print, that means this line will come. Now for the example 4, this is example 4. See, C, the value of C is hello. Here is a line slash split in two lines. That means this line is the first line and this line is the second line. So inside a single line, that means this is a single string from here to here. Why? Because this double quote is opening here, this double quote is finishing here. So these two lines we are making like this by giving this slash. Already we have done in previous example. So you can see the output here. So hello, two split lines is coming in the same line. See, this is the same line. Actually this is the same string, I have already told you. So at the time of writing, at the time of assigning the value, I am writing in two lines. So I am giving one slash here. So after that example 4, So we are Indian slash n means line break. So this line we have assigned to D. So D value if we are going to print, so what it will come? So it will come, see, we are Indians and we love our country. Both are different lines. So again example 5 is coming. So example 5 is what, see, this is the example 5. These two lines will come, and again AI is the variable we are assigning a value, A2 we are assigning another value. So in both line we are giving slash T means tab. This slash T means tab. So if we are displaying the value of AI and we are displaying the value of A2, A1 and A2. So A1 value is this name class section, A2 value is RIA 11B. Clear? So done. So this is the first program we have done for string. So another program is this string 2. Traversing string means visiting string in each position, each and every position. So here see, V is the variable here. Into this variable, this value we are storing here, hello world. This is a string value. Okay, multiple number of characters are there. This is not an integer. So see, this H is there in the position number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This space is also a value, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 values are there in the V, in the variable V. 10 characters are there, one string value. So here if you want to display V0, that means it will display H. If you want to display print V4, that means V4. V4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. O will come. So HO, first two output. Just print the output, see. See, in the first output it is coming H. V0 means 0, H is coming. And V4 means this value, this variable. 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This O is coming. And again print V minus 8. Minus 8 means, so if you will directly count the numbers from this side, that means position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will go. And from this side, from the right side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that the values will come. It is clear? So now say minus 8 is there. That means minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This L is coming. This L is coming. Clear? So after that key minus 6 is there. Minus 6 means minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In minus 6 this space is there. So that is why this space is coming. Clear? After minus 5 is there. So W is coming. Done? So like that you can traverse string or you can visit string in each position. After that string 3, this is loop. Another program. Looping already we have discussed. So here see, str is a variable. There we are storing the string value, that is computer science. The value is computer science. Okay. So now by using loop also you can visit this string. For is the looping, already you know for is looping. I in str. So in the previous examples what we have done in for I in range we have given there. For I in range, suppose 1 to 10. So it will display 1 to 10 characters. Okay. So now here also, if you are giving for I in str, that means that much of time this loop will execute. How many values, how many characters are there in str. Okay. So in str, see how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means this loop will execute 16 times. That means this line will come 16 times. So first it will come I value. What is the value of I? 0. Again what is, oh sorry. For I in str. In str what is I? That is C. In the next character it will come O. Next character it will come M. The value of I is, I will change like this. Okay. If you will print this, if you will execute this program, so it will come computer science. See, computer science is coming like this. So it is executing different lines, different times in loop. That is why it is coming new lines. C is in one line, O is in one line, M in one line, like that it is coming. Okay. So this is done. Another example, this is for string operator. So what about that? See. So for concatenation, this plus sign is used. For repetition, multiplication, star is used. Membership in and not in is there. Slicing, so different are there. So what about the operators? How to use this when you are practically going to do, then you will understand everything. So go to the next program. So you can see from this example. So this is example 5. See here what we are doing. See the same examples what we have discussed. So same operators we are using here. So what we are writing here, print example 1 here. A is equal to, A is the variable here. Here we are assigning this value. What about this value? Hello is a string plus world. That means two string we are joining here. The two string we are joining. That means hello world in a single word. So that hello world we are storing in A. Print A. That means it will display hello world as a single word. Okay. Print this, display output. See what will come. Example 1, hello world. One value is coming. Okay. So here see, after hello one space is there. So that is why this space is coming in the output. Hello space world. Okay. So if you will not give the space here, that means it will come as a single character, single word. After that, the next example, print example 2, 3-star world. That means this world will come repeatedly 3 times. 3 into world. So this 3 is a number. Okay, this 3 is a number. This is not a string. That is why I am writing inside single, not writing inside single or double quote. And world is a value, string. So this string we are writing inside single quote. That is why 3-star world. That means this world word will come 3 times. So if you will print this, it will come 3 times. Okay. Now run this program. So what is there? The output is there already. World, world, world. 3 times this world is there. Clear? Now example 3. In the example 3, see A, the value of A is 2-star this 2. This means this is a string. Why? Because this is inside single quote. And this is a number. So this string will come 2 times. This 2 will come 2 times. Okay. So that is why the output is coming 2 times. Clear? After that, go to the next example. So str1 is equal to my, str2 is equal to my book. So what we are doing, print str1 in str2. So str1 value is my in str2. That means my is there in str2. Condition is true or false. It will come this. So str1 is there in str2. Yes, it is. That is why it will come true. The output will come as true. See the output, it is coming true. Clear? Why? Because the value of str1 is my, str2 is my book. So this my is already there in str2. That is why this is true. And print example 4 will show the error. See, why error? A is equal to 2 plus book. So this plus sign is used for concatenation. And it will concatenate only 2 string, not an integer or a string. Okay, this is an integer value and this is a string value. That is why how can we add? How can it concatenate? So it should also be string, then only it can add. Okay, so that is why it will show error. See, this error is coming. Okay, done. Now go to the next example. Strings is. So here, what about that? Okay, this is example 1. str1 value is Mary and str2 value is Mac. Print str1 less than str2. The condition is true or false, it will check. So like that, different examples have given. Comparison operator is using here, is equal to, that means the value of str1 equal to str2 or not, it will check. str1 not equal to str2. So these are the logical operators is using here. So you can see from here and try to understand what the output is coming. So you can just see the program and run this program, press F5. So then you will get the outputs here, the outputs you are getting here. So why this output is coming, try to understand from this program. So you will understand automatically. Go to the next program, string slicing. So that is one of the important topic that you have to understand. String slicing. See, string slicing means, see, sliced string. A value is A to Z. The value of A is a string. This string is this. This string we are storing here in A. Now the value of A is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. Okay. So now sliced string is a variable. Into this variable we are storing a value. This is the value. So what about this value? This value means 6, 15 and 2. That means 6 means initially from the value 6 will start. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Z is the 6. Z is there in the position number 6. That means this value will start from position 6 and will finish at 15. That means 15 minus 1 up to 14. Okay. So here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to O it will come. Okay. That means Z to O it will come, and this is the step. Step means Z will come, H will not come, I will come. Z, I, then again plus 2, K will come, then M will come, then O will come. That means the output it will come Z, I, K, M, O. Z, I, K, M, O. Print A. A means this will come and this will come. Okay. Now run this program. See, ZIKMO. Then from the position number 6, Z is coming. Step 2. Step 2 means 1 after 1. Okay. So step 2 I am giving here. If we will give step 3, that means Z will come. HI will not come. Direct Z will come. Step 3. Okay. So like that. This is start, stop and step, it is said. Clear? So these values we have stored here in sliced string, and when we are going to display this sliced string, then this value is coming. Okay. So this is slicing, and one another program is this. See here what we are doing. Word is the variable. There we are storing good morning. Print len word. That means it will calculate the length of the word. How many characters are there in good morning? So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Space is also there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means it will display the result as 12 here. After that, word 1. This is Mira's pain. So I am giving this slash means for this single quote. Okay, already we have done one previous example. This is Mira's pain. So how many characters are there? It will calculate the length. So print the first letter as capital. To capital the welcome. See, in the welcome word, all are small letter. The value of A. The value of B is A dot capitalize. That means A's value you are capitalize. Capitalize function will capitalize the first character of the word. That means W will come as capital letter. When we are going to print B, the value of B, so the value of B is there after making it capital, the first character of A. Okay. So now run this program. See, it is coming the length of the first two string, and this is the capitalize. W is coming in capital letter. Okay. So this is done. Now go to the next example. This is one of the question it is given here. Write a program to accept a string and return a string having first letter of each word in capital letter. That means, see, in a line you are going to enter a line. In that line, each word's first character should be in capital. Okay. For that case, what you are going to do? In the previous example, only one word you have entered, welcome. The welcome words, the first character W is coming in capital by using the capitalize function. So here in the entire line, every word's first character should be in capital. For that case, what you are doing? str enter your string, print original string. It will display the original string what you have entered. Then you are going to use this split function. This split function will separate each and every word. Okay, the meaning is split is that. So here your string is there in st. Okay, and st1 is empty string. Okay, here x is the variable. There you are splitting this st and storing. That means the value of st, suppose you have written there, my name is Deep. Okay, so my name is Deep is there. So my M should be in capital, name N should be in capital, is I capital, like that it has to come. So my is one word, name is one word, is another word. So like that entire line will separate and it will store here in X. Now the value of X is different words are there, not a single word, single string that my name is this. Okay, So now for I in X, that means I in each and every word in X, the first value of I is my, second value of I is name, third value of I is, that means the value of this X. Okay, different words I have already told you. The split function will separate the entire line into different words. str1 plus is equal to, this plus is equal to means it will concatenate. Okay, it will concatenate the value with str and st1. See, the value of st1 is empty here. So here what it will do, st1 dot plus is equal to means it will not add like numeric values. It will concatenate. This plus sign is for concatenation. So st1 value is my will come after capitalize the first character. Again name will come after capitalize the first character. Like that the value will store here in st1. Then if you will print st1, it will come my name is Deep. So each and every word's first character in capital letter. So run this program. Here see, enter a string. So I am writing inside single quote as a single string. My name is DWP. Okay. So now this string where I have stored, this string I have stored here in st. Okay. Now this st1 is empty string, empty variable here. Okay, no values are there. Then x is equal to st dot split. The value of x is what? This st will split. That means this entire line will separate into different words and will store here in x. Okay, now for I in x means the value of I for the first time my, then again the value of I in the second time name, like that it will take. Okay, so now st1, this st1 plus, already you know, hello plus world, that means it will concatenate hello world. Okay, so like that the st1 no value is there, so it will add my. After capitalize this capitalized function is used here. Press enter. See, my name is Deep. Clear? So this is done. Now go to the next example. The split function. About the split function, it is showing here. So what about this? See, grocery. One variable is there. So this is the value of the string. These are not. This is the value. One single string value is there. So in this value, red colon, blue colon, orange colon, pink, this is a string. Okay, so this string we have stored here. Now print grocery dot split this. So n minus 1 already there, n minus 1, that is why it is up to 1, 0 to 1 it is splitting this. Okay, splitting this. See, this is the last value you can say. So here 2 is there, that means this is how many, this colon 0 1 2. Okay, this 2 will come because n minus 1 it has to delete, so that is why up to 1 it has deleted. And colon 5 is already there, 5 is given there, so 5 is there means, so it will delete, say 0 1 2 0 1 2, and no more values are there, that means out of range. So up to 5 all this will delete. Okay, so now if you are giving here 2, or in place of 2 I am suppose writing 1 here, that means it will remove only the first one. 0 1 is there, only first one it will remove. Okay, save this program, Ctrl S 5. See here, only 1 has removed, the first one. Okay, done. Now go to the next example. Replace. So this is about replace. So here str1 value is, this is a string example. Okay, then after print str1 dot replace is was. So in place of is it will replace was, in place of is it will come was here. Okay, so str1. Okay, str2 cold coffee, the value of str2 is cold coffee, and print we are displaying str2 dot replace, in place of cold we have to write hot. Okay, so now run this program. So this replace function is used for that only. What is here? listen. This is a string example. So this th is, this is we are replacing. That is why th was ho gaya, was. This is was. D th was, e in place of is, this is again coming was, a string example. In place of cold, it is coming hot. Done. So this is the use of replace function. So again another example. So write the output of the following code. So after execution of this code, it will come the output like that. This is the output it will come. So how it has come exactly? See, text, the value of this variable text is gmail@com. Done. And L is equal to len text. That means the value of L is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The value of L is 8 here. Okay. Next is equal to empty. No value is there. For I in range 0 to L. 0 to L means 8. Up to 7 it will go. 0 to 7. 8 times it will execute. Okay. For the first time, the value of I is 0. If text 0, text I means text 0 dot is upper. Is upper function, it will check the text 0 is in uppercase or not. That means text 0 is Z. This is uppercase or not? No, this condition is false. It will not execute this line. It will go to the else part. Text 0 is alpha. It is alphabet or not? Yes, it is alphabet. So next is equal to next plus text I dot upper. So the value of next was empty. Now it will add the value Z after converting it to uppercase. The value of next is now uppercase Z. So this is uppercase Z is coming. So this condition is satisfied here. So it will not go to the else part. Done. So again it will increment. The value of I will increase according to the loop. The value of I is now what? This is 1. After 0 it is 1. So again it will come here. Text I means text 1. M is there. The same condition it will satisfy. So it will convert it to uppercase. Then it will join it to next. ZM. Then again it will come 2. Again in place of 2 A is there. So like that it will go. So when it will get this at the rate, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to L it is coming. See, Z, all these are in capital letter. Okay, done. So now when this at the rate will come, it is there in the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means now the value of I is 5 here. Okay, so it will come inside. Is upper? No. Is alpha? No. It will come to the else part. In the else part, what is there? Next is equal to next plus BB. That means in place of this at the rate, it will come this BB. So this BB is coming. Again after COM in small letter, so it will satisfy this condition. So it is coming in the capital letter. Done. So this is done. So all of you try to understand how it has done. So after once it has finished up to 7, then again it will not increase. So it will come to the next statement. So next statement is print next. So it will display this output. Clear? Now go to the next example. This is again output 2. See how many times this word hello printed in the following statement. How many times it will print? S is equal to Python rocks. For ch in S. Okay, ch is your I. Okay, in place of I it is taking ch. Any of the variable name you can take here. In S 3:8. That means here, can you say how many times this loop will execute? Starting value is 3 here. Ending value is 8, means up to 7. 3 to 7. 3 to 7, how many characters are there? In S 3 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. R is the 7 character. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times this hello will come. Here the value is 5. How many characters are there? 5 characters from here to here. So this will come 5 times. Okay. Now run this program. So hello will print 5 times. 5 times. Done. This is example 1 done. So another example is there. So like that different some another examples are also there. How to remove vowel and consonant and this is question, this is question, this is question. These are different questions it has given here in this practice. So I think all of you try to solve by your own these programs so that you can understand quickly. Okay, so I'll not going to discuss these programs here. Palindrome means it will check, suppose you are entering here ACA, if you will reverse this word ACA, then again the same answer you will get ACA. So that is the palindrome. Okay, so like that, different questions, 3 questions it has given here, and this is another program is also given here. All of you practice these programs. If you will not understand, then ask me. I am not going to discuss here, because you have to think. When you will think more, then only you will understand quickly. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about this string. So done from your syllabus. One another topic also we have finished, so go for the next. Thank you.